Hi folks, Capt. Karl Burnside from Thumbs Up Charter Services. Hey, today we're on a Little Lady. It's beautiful weather here in Michigan. We're getting her ready to go out on the lake. And we started her up yesterday, uncovered her for the first time since like October. Got her running. Everything was going great. Started going through my electronics. Everything's working perfect. And then it wasn't. So we got an issue with the radar. And it looks like it's what we call the radome cable, which never go bad. Thanks, Ray Marie. And what we got to do is put a new one in. So we're going to kind of show you some of the steps how we do that, and show you our chart plotters too and how they work. So come along. It's going to be an interesting ride. Well, come on. We got work to do. First thing you want to do before any electrical repair, make sure that your positive and negative cable connections down here aren't corroded and you got any problems like that. Check your fuse, and then check your power source farther down the line, like maybe where it meets the cable to the appliance that is causing the problem. So I'm down in the bow of the boat, and this is the electrical feed from back at the transom we just showed you. I checked for voltage here. I had 12 volts, and that's not good enough. You got to load this to make sure that the voltage doesn't go away. There could be a corroded connection farther down the boat or something that allows it with a voltmeter to see 12 volts, but then the minute you load it and put amperage behind it, it just falls flat. So we checked it with an automotive headlight. It's got some pretty good amperage running behind it, and everything was just fine. So our electrical sources are good.